Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this eye tutorial using the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette. It's her newest palette that's come out with these beautiful warm brown shades. So I thought I would film a tutorial on it for you guys so you can see how it applies, what the colors are like, what the pigmentation's like. And I created this look using, I think all of the shadows were in here, excluding that little glitter. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. I've got the brand new Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. How gorgeous. There's a lot of warm, beautiful warm shades. Like I can already tell I'm going to love those shades here, like Orange Soda, this one, whoops, this one. Yeah, we're just going to get into it. Let me just grab a brush. I'm going to reach in and grab the shade Orange Soda, which is this one here, and just straight away pop that into my crease. I don't know if the Orange Soda is really picking up on camera. It is in person. It's quite a subtle orange shade on medium skin tones. Like you can't see it in person, it's just on camera, not so much. I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is Burnt Orange. And we're just gonna layer that on top. Grab Sienna and just pop that onto the outer, this is called like the outer edge. I think I'm quite used to this, but a lot of the Anastasia shadows, they just kind of have, if you go like that and then it has a lot of product that kind of comes off and looks like it crumbles. I mean, it's not like it causes fallout on your face, but just be aware if you're getting an Anastasia palette for the first time. Maybe I'm just really like, nah, actually I just touched it really lightly and it's still the same thing because I thought it was just me being rough. Yeah, just be aware that it does that, but at the same time, the pigment is incredible, so I would rather have that than an eyeshadow that I have to like dig at and try to get pigment, you know? Then I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is Mulberry, and just precisely check that into the outside edge. Actually, I can bring some of that in as well because it is just a beautiful color. And then just give it a wee blend. I think I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber. I think this was in the Modern Renaissance palette as well. I do not have that one because I don't know. I feel like if I were to get one, that would have been the one that I would have loved, but I just figured I already have shadows like that in my kit and I don't really need more makeup for myself unless I'm doing reviews on it for you guys. I'm really building up these colors. I didn't just slap on the brownie purple and then try to blend out the edges. I started off with a lighter color and then just keep building it up. Add a smidge of black just to really deepen it up, intensify it a little bit and make it look more smoky, more sultry. If you want at this point, you can go back in and grab one of the transition shades, like one of the browns, and then just add it to the edges just to really blend it out. Looking good, looking good. Then I'm going to grab the shade Sienna. Let's chuck that underneath my lashes. I'm going to make it all nice and smoky. By the way, I used the same brush that I had the black on. I just tapped it off. There's this one. This one. Obviously, these are really pigmented. I didn't really do any swatches, but I think you guys can tell. Anastasia shadows are always pigment galore. I think I'm going to do this one, which is, I think, glistening. Okay, we'll just use this one. So I'm just going to use this and cut my crease. And I'm just going to go in with Glistening, which is the shade here. That is very pretty. It looks okay, but I think I'm going to add some glitter afterwards. Woohoo! Let's add some glitter. Should we do this one? Okay, so I'm gonna grab the Stila Magnificent Middles in, I think, Smoky Storm. Okay, so I've chucked some in my inner corner. Then I think should we add some more? I don't feel like this is enough. Maybe I'll add some rose pink. Just over the center of my lid, just to add some dimension. We'll give that a blend. Ooh, I really want to use sultry as well. Maybe we'll chuck that over here. So I'm literally using pretty much all of the colors that's sultry. And I think we're good for now. I'm gonna go and do some liner. By the way, since I've got this palette here, I'm just gonna go and grab Tempera, the matte, pretty 7 shade, oh no, and put that on my brow bone. Actually, it's not a matte, it's like a little, I think it's a light 7. Just so we've pretty much used this whole palette on the Balm Cosmetics Swing. So the lashes I'm using are by Shayne Cosmetics, Shayne. These are sent to me in my PO box, and these ones that I'm going to use today are called Marcella. Look at them, they're gorgeous. Just gonna see if they fit my eye shape or if I need to trim them. Should I trim this, you guys, or should I leave it? Oh, I really want to leave it as is. I do not want to trim it. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna go do my brows, lips, and I'll be back. Hey, you guys, I am back. I've got all my makeup on, and as you can tell, I've actually, what did I do? I put on my highlighter. The highlighter is the new Amrezy Anastasia collab. As you can tell, oh my god, it's amazing. I applied it by itself, and then I added some of a makeup setting spray just to give it that extra pop. Not that I really needed it, but I mean, look at it, you know. The lashes that I'm wearing, I think I already showed you guys, didn't I? By Shayne Cosmetics. They're in the style Marcella. Love these. I'll link them in the description box because they're really beautiful and fluffy, and they're super affordable. And the lipstick I'm wearing is the NYX pencil, and it's called Sable. No, not Sable. It's called Sand Beige. I don't know where I put it. This is a natural one, but it's pretty much the same thing. I mean, I really love this palette. The shades in it are beautiful. I think I added a bit too much glitter here, but that's okay. The shades in it are really beautiful, and big fan. The only thing I don't really like is the packaging, like that velvet feel, just because like it's already getting dirty. And if you're gonna be someone who is a makeup artist or uses eyeshadows a lot, and your hands always get dirty with makeup, like this will not last long. So I don't know, if you guys know a way of not getting this dirty or cleaning it, can you let me know in the comments, because I would love to know. I prefer the other packaging that she had for Self-Made palette and the Shadow Couture palette, but those are not available anymore. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Let me look a little bit like a raccoon. I have a flat brush. I hate when I do a flat brush. Should we do this one then? Should we do this one? Should we do this one? Tempera, which is the, oh.